Brad Williams, XL Prime, list constants. I've mentioned them in previous tutorials. What are they? Well, you know we've been working with arrays here. You notice that in this particular example, when we're hard coding, we're sort of quasi hard coding the data. We're not inputting, you can see apple, banana, orange in curly brackets. That is the list constant. You can include a list constant without putting a text split. This particular function will break this apart without you having to do it. It will put these in the proper format. The other array will just show whatever you're pulling from. You notice we're just pulling from the measurements over here in B5 to B7 and putting them over into a new list, but it's also incorporating the first array. And that's the nice thing about this list constant, but it can get messy. If this was a large and ever-changing application, you're going to have to input this data manually. If you put a list constant, in other words, you know, I put my quasi lists up here sometimes. You don't have to do this, but it's convenient. It's available. You can play around with this. You can put this apple, banana, orange up here in 3 different columns. Then you can reference this as I've shown previously. Read it. If you need it, play around with the anatomy. If you don't like this configuration, change it. That's the beauty of this entire Excel stuff is these are just examples. Incorporate the HSTACK in different configurations and see what kind of mix you come up with. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.